and welcome. Today it's very good weather outside. We're making up an exhaust for our tuber. Yeah, we're going box tubing, twin box tubing out of the back end for the exhaust, so it's going to look pretty different. You're the Tez. You look rowdy.
Do a little cut here, go up there, do a little cut there, and then make another one for this side, and then one box section out there. Boom!
And then no more of this thing. Get rid of that. Go, Ned! This is Ned. He's doing some artwork. Look at those shorts. Ah, sick. So good, Ned. What are you doing, Ned?
Having a hell of a time making this square into a round pipe.
We just got it all mocked up at the moment, so then it goes into two. Move it down the back. That's a hook.
Gotta do special things when you're doing special work, you know? Ooh!
Alright, so we're gonna square this up because obviously that's not round anymore, it's square. There, you can't really see much, but it's all bolted up and we got it out the back. But this is New Zealand. This is how we make things work. Primo. I just bumped my head so hard. Yeah. What are your people's thoughts? I personally love it. It's so different.
Now you don't see that every day, do you?
That is so much better than a big ball. This is a different side of me now, isn't it? I'm currently editing this video and I realised, oh, I forgot to do an outro. I've got my spectacles on so I can actually see what I'm doing. Anyway, on that note, I think this is going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully you people enjoyed. If you want to see any more videos like this, let me know. Big thanks to Ned for all the help out. I just want to say a big thanks to all the support I've been getting, especially over the last 3 skid pad videos. I've gained so many new subscribers and the videos are like getting heaps of views and I've been getting a lot of messages and stuff, so I just want to say a really big thank you to everyone who's been supporting. So the Maho skid pad is opening again this weekend. I look forward to that video, but yeah, anyway, sayonara.